baked with 4,500-year-old yeast. If you have ever seen bread being made, you will have seen that it rises as the oven heats up. Have you wondered why? This is because of a little microorganism used in producing it called yeast. Bread batter has yeast in it. Seamus Blackley, an American scientist and video game designer who is known to be the brains behind Xbox, is also a baker, and he recently got access to 4,500-year-old yeast. Some of Blackley's researcher friends extracted yeast from a ceramic vessel used for making bread by the early Egyptians. Yeast is a very common baking agent used to make breads and cakes. Dry yeast can lay dormant for years until put in warm water and sugar for it to work and multiply.